people, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be jumping straight into the POV Drive. Like I said in the last video, take you through how it is driving this KO4 powered Mark 6 GTI that I've owned for nearly a year now. So for the sake of anyone new here, we are going to give a little walk round of the car. We have done a review video in the past, so please check that out. The link will be in the description. We're just going to give a little walk round just so you get sort of the basics of what the car's got and why it performs how it does, pretty much. So moving forward, we have under the engine bay, we have a KO4 powered turbo, we have the induction kit, we have a catch can, we have all the coil packs, spark plugs obviously all upgraded, we've got the KO4 relocation kit, all the engine mounts are done. Then we have a AirTech intercooler at the front. Moving round to the side, we've got some Porsche big brake kit. We've got a anti-lift kit underneath, which you can just see through there. Moving around to the back, we've got upgraded pads and discs on the back. We've got a full Cobra turbo back system, which I've just had in the previous video you would have seen of this car. It's just had the exhaust tips changed. Then in the back of the car, we have the K-brace and the Recaro bucket seats, so that's why it stiffens up the back a little bit. Then moving on to the interior, we have a LED carbon wheel, we have the Recaro bucket seats, and then all the interior trims are all carbon. Obviously there's a lot more to come, but yeah, that is pretty much the basic walk round. If you do want to see more of the car, then check out the first video that is on our channel, and that is a full walk round of this car. So me and Charlie have had these CNC jumpers made. Just makes it a little bit easier if anyone's at a car show and want to come find us, you know where to find us, because we've got CNC logo all over on our backs, and you'll be able to come over, have a chat, take a look around the cars if you want to. But yeah, from me, that's enough talking. Let's jump straight out. Let's go for a drive. Enjoy the video. Yes people, we are now out in the Mark 6 Golf GTI doing a POV drive. Take you through my favourite things, how the car feels on the road, and just overall just take you for a POV drive. Take it down some nice country roads, open it up a little bit. A few bangs. Does pull very nicely. Give it a second gear pull. Third. Oh wow. With the temperatures now getting cooler in Essex where we are, you can definitely feel the car is so much more responsive with the throttle. Just got a lot more poke to it. It's so much nicer, whereas in the summer it's just a little bit sluggish, it feels to me, but I don't know if that's because I'm used to it. But yeah, one of my favourite things of this car is the way it does pull, and I've got to say a massive thank you to Billy at CTG for that, because the way it pulls and the way it's got the, I don't know, it's just the way it's got that linear power towards the end as well. It's mapped perfect. It sort of hooks up in second and third when it's dry and the tyres have got a bit of heat in them. It just hooks up. But yeah, you've just got lot of turbo noises. You might not be able to hear it over the exhaust. We've got a 3-inch turbo back, I keep saying cat back, turbo back Cobra system, which is lovely. I've just had the exhaust tips welded. They made a difference, to be fair. It made the tone sound a little bit more deeper. Give it a little second gear pull here. Yeah, it just picks up. But the price you pay and the bolt-ons that you can do to these Mark 6s, the TSI lumps, it's like to make 380 brake horsepower from putting a turbo on an intercooler, some spark plugs, an induction kit and an exhaust. To gain that sort of horsepower when these come at about 210 stock, to get up to 380 brake horsepower, you're talking not much money, to be honest, compared to some of the other builds that you see. It's just a game changer for me. That's why I have to keep going back to these. Like I said before, I've had a Seat Leon Cupra 280 and I've had a BMW 435i as well, and both of them just didn't compare to the old Mark 6 that I had, so I had to buy a new one. It's just, I just love these cars, honestly love the cars, and the way they look as well. I've said in many conversations that I've had with people, I just think, it might be biased, but I just think the Mark 6 is the best looking one that you can buy, to be honest. That's me being biased, obviously, but I just think personally they're such a good looking car to look at. It's not just about the way they perform as well. And then obviously we've got the coilovers, the anti-lift kit to add on with the handling and stuff. It makes a massive difference, definitely. Again, sorry about all the bumpy roads, and I mean, we are in England, what do you expect? Get a little downshift. We've got the overrun mapped in as well. Just give the throttle a little tap every now and then, and it just gives it a little bang. Second gear pull. It's just crazy. Mapped so well, so it's literally instant. You press the shifter, done straight away. Like, it's so instant. I love the downshifts as well. It's instant. I get a second gear pull, third. He's loving it. His face turned up as soon as he saw it. Pointless, absolutely pointless. We're in third gear now. I plant it in third. Yeah, it's just spinning. I'm actually on my way to the unit to meet Charlie. We're going to finish off with the KO4 conversion on his Mark V because that's getting near to finishing now. Obviously you'll see the video coming out Sunday of the upgrades that we've been doing, but we'll get a third gear. Oh my life. So slippery. So that is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Turn on that bell notification and we'll see you in the next one.